In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find uncleared and unreconciled transactions in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're sorting through finances for your business or managing your home accounts, it's critical to ensure that every transaction is correctly accounted for. So, let's dive right into it and simplify this process together. First, you'll want to open up QuickBooks on your web browser. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll have access to all the financial data that you need to manage. Once you're on the main page, look for the navigation option labeled More. Clicking More will open up a list of deeper accounting functions. From here, you'll want to select Accounting. Once you're in the Accounting section, focus on clicking Chart of Accounts. This is a significant step because the chart of accounts is essentially the backbone of your financial records within QuickBooks. It's a comprehensive list where every financial transaction finds its place. Now, you'll want to find the specific account you wish to examine. It could be your bank account, a credit card account, or any other account where transactions occur. Once you've located the account, you'll see a View Register option. Clicking on View Register will provide you with a chronological list of all transactions related to that account. This is your transaction hub, where you're able to dig into the details. To narrow down your search for uncleared or unreconciled transactions, you'll need to use the filter function, which you will find by clicking the drop-down button. This drop-down filter gives you multiple options to sort and view transactions according to specific criteria. The important bit for our task is to focus on the Reconcile Status option. By selecting this, you will be able to see whether each transaction has been reconciled, cleared, or still pending. This feature is incredibly helpful when you're aiming to tidy up your accounts and ensure every transaction matches bank statements or other financial records. To make it even more streamlined, you can choose the Cash option. This is typically useful when you want to focus on transactions that are most likely related to everyday operations and might need reconciliation. By doing this, you can easily identify which transactions need attention and take the necessary steps to address any discrepancies. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively locate and manage any uncleared or unreconciled transactions within QuickBooks Online. Remember, keeping your accounts updated and accurate is crucial for clear financial insights and making well-informed decisions. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it makes managing your finances a little less daunting. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping.